As a top listing agent, I will make every effort to ensure your selling experience is as smooth and stress-free as possible. My team and I can get you from selling to sold, fast and for top dollar. Call me to schedule a free market consultation. Beautiful 3-bedroom home now available in Mission Glen. Home features a high ceiling, open floor plan. This home has just been remodeled and has fresh paint. Home has high ceiling and living room which connects to dining room and kitchen. Home features huge windows throughout the house for plenty of natural light. The master bedroom is spacious with French doors going into the large bathroom suite with walk-in closet. This home is absolutely stunning as great care was taken during the remodel. The home is located on a large lot so the backyard is huge.